Anali. I have an ST math video for you. My computer's printing, sorry, and I ran out of paper, so it's noisy. Alright, so you got a little tricky one here. I could see this already. Alright, so what I'm doing, if you see parentheses around something, it means you need to multiply. But I'm going to just pretend I don't even know that either. Okay, but when you see parentheses, it means you need to multiply by something. So I'm going to just look here. I see a B, a B, a B. So I'm going to go up here and I see B's up here. And I don't know, I've been playing with this GG every once in a while now. So I'm going to say, is it 3 B's? No. Oh, now I clicked a bunch of B's. I'm going to go back to 3 B's. They're just dark there. Oh wait, there's a 2 and a 2 and another 2 and another 2. So there's the 3 B's, and then all these other B's are left. But I could kind of count those and see what Gigi's doing now. Right? Now I'm going, oh, I have 2 B's here, 2 B's here. So that's 4 B's plus 2 more B's. That's 6 B's. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 B's. I'm going to play. See, there's my 2 B's, there's my 2 B's. Oh, but there's more because that 2B was outside of the other B. I still have 4 B's left. Do you see this 2B out here? Right? I got those 2 B's the first time, but then I have this means multiply. And I would say 2 times B plus 2 times B would be 4B. I can also do, this is what they're going to do. I'm also could do 2 times 2 is 4. And I have to take this 2 and multiply it in there, because this means multiply by the numbers in between the parentheses. And I have 2 numbers in between the parentheses that are being added together. And you're like, 2 numbers? What are you talking about? So I pretend these letters are numbers, right? I could say this number would be a 3. So when the B would be 3, these would all be 3's, right? So this would be, and when I put 2 numbers next to each other in math with the letter, it also means multiply. I got to remember to say that remember, he was asking about that. So if I just put a 2 next to a letter, it means multiply the number times whatever number this is when you figure out what number that is, right? Right now I don't know what number it is, so I just put a letter to represent it. All right, so this would be, so anyway, right now I don't know what number it is, so I'm going to just say when I figure out the B, I could do the rest of the math. For now, I need to figure out how many B's we're going to have, because everything's times B here, right? So 2 times 2 would be 4, and then 2 times 2 would be another 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more 2, right? 9, 10. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 B's. And now Gigi will show us, or the ghost that does Gigi's stuff here. So now I do with my 2, right? All those B's. All right. So here I have 3 times 2A plus another A plus another 2A. So I have to figure out how many are there. So right here I know there's 2A plus 1A would be 3A, right? And I also have another 2A here, but I have to do multiplying before I add. So I don't want to add, I'm going to multiply first, right? I do what's in parentheses first. So that's why I add first here. I do my 2A plus my 1A because it's in parentheses. Remember, parentheses first. So I do 2A plus 1A is 3A, and then I multiply my 3A times 3, which would be 9A, plus 2 more. I don't know why they don't give me a nice row of 10 and I have to count here. They should always be in rows of 10, then I don't have to count. I would just know to do 1 more than 10 and have 11 A's. All right, we have 11 A's. All right, so here's our K. So I have to do what's in parentheses first, right? 2K plus 1K is going to be 3K, and then I multiply before I add. So now I have 3K times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15. So now I have 15 Ks plus 3 more. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 20 there. Why aren't they lined up 10 by 10? Alright, now I have J's here. So again, just a little tricky, but I can add what's in parentheses first. So I'm going to say, I could also multiply into the parentheses and then add, but we'll do it this way. So I'm going to say 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 J's times 2 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, hopefully you get the G. Okay, so I also see you started the challenge, but it looks like you didn't do very far. So I'm going to just go the first one. I'll just kind of try not to make the video too long, so I'm not going to go over 10 minutes. So I'm like, I don't know what to do here. There's a 9 and a box and a start. I'll hit start. Oh, 9 plus 9 plus 9. So I know 9 plus 9 plus 9. I could do it in my head, right? 9 and add a 9 is 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 9 more is going to be 27. Oops, I missed a 9 there or something, huh? So I could see 1 9. Let's go again. 1 9 plus another 9 plus another 9 plus another 9. I missed my 9. So 27 plus 1 more 9 is 36. So you can get a scratch piece of paper to do this, right? If you're doing it. I think you know your math facts pretty good, though. Let's see how many 4s. This time I'll count better. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4 4s, 16. Alright, so back over here. I guess we're just going to multiply numbers there. I'll go do the level 4 there, because sometimes the level... Alright, it looks like it's the same thing. Let's see. 4 times 2 times 6 plus 7. I gotta write it down. 4 times 2 plus 6 times 7. 4 times 2 would be 8, plus 6 times 7 is 42, which would be 50. I'm going to check it. So I'm going to put 50. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing here, because it's recording the screen. I don't know how to pause it. I can try. So I thought they said 4 times 2 plus 6 times 7, which would be 4 times 2 is 8, plus 42, which is going to be 50. But let's go check. Alright, I think I did it. I hope you saw that. My guess is 50. 55. I mixed something there. Alright, so I'm going to go back. They'll show me this time. 4 times 2 times 6 plus 7. Okay, here we go. So 4 times 2 is 8. And now 8 times 6 is 48 plus 7. 48 plus 7. So I did 8 times 6, 48 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry my 1, 55. Now I have the same answer as G. Oops. I was paused, but I got the right answer, but we already saw. Okay, here's my next one. 3 times times 7, take away 6. So 3 times 1 is 3, times 7 is 21, subtract 6 is 15. Hopefully I saw the right numbers. Yay! Alright. These ones, I just make sure I write it down while she's doing it. For me, I forget. But I see the X's. We could play this one just so you can see one more. So 4 times 2 times 7. So 56 divided by 1. Oh, I'm just going to do this one. 56. Ding. All right, and here is the next one. Big speed. Big seed. All right, and I will stop after this one because I've gone too long. So I could see these squares over here, these shapes over here. I don't know what to do again. When I see this, I just start, nothing like that. How about this one? Oh, it liked the pink one. Now let's see. We turn it. Oh, because it was the blue. Now can I put another color over here? This one over here. It likes when I turn it pink too. Alright, I'm not sure what this does. It turns it around. Put it back. Alright, I don't know how to pass this level. What do you do? Move this. Now I'm getting somewhere here. Oh, Gigi doesn't like that. So, I think I have to take... So if I move this, I can open it up. But Gigi couldn't pass. It didn't match. Alright, this is what I do. I know that when I did the pink, it changed colors, though. Let's see what happens. When I do the pink, and then open it up. No. Okay, so I'm going to open it up first. No, oh, that, she automatically doesn't like that. Or it. Okay, so, sorry, Anali. Maybe I should pause it while I play around here and figure out what to do. But I'm just showing you how my brain works and what I would do. Alright, there's that. So I need Gigi to cross over this somehow. I know this undoes what I did. How about this one? And nothing on the other side. Let's see if this one. I didn't try that one yet. No. Oh. That's all I had to do is go and flip it over. Alright, so I have to open this one. I guess it doesn't matter what color it is. What happens if I change the color, though? Boop. I'm just making a symmetrical shape. I guess it doesn't matter. Gigi likes any color. Alright, so that's where I'm going to stop right there, and I wonder what this next level is. I'm going to have to go play it. Bye, Anali.